Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the notification and the status bar, and here for example we can change on the lock screen notifications, so we can set it up here and just don't show them at all. And we can also go right here to click to see all apps from the 7 days. Click on this position and check the most frequent, and as you can see currently we got the most notifications from the Gmail, so we can permanently turn it off with this switcher. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.